Hello again and welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. If you enjoy decorating DIYs, thrift flip, home decor, then you have reached the right channel. Why don't you go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and double tap that notification so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now in today's video, I will be participating in another open collab. This one is the exclusive Christmas Decor Glamour and Glitz collab. And it is hosted by Glam Elegant Living, Phyllis at JRC Restoration Decor and Design, the Rodgers House, Sandy at Sister Cousins Lifestyle, Melissa at Buckeye Girls, Wreaths and Things, A Happy Hoarder, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, we were tasked with decorating any area of our home using glamour, glitz, glam, and fabulousity, honey, and you know that is right up your girl's alley. So I hope you enjoy what I've put together for you today, and I hope that it gives you inspiration to create some Christmas in July home decor at your home. Thank you so much for watching, and without further ado, baby, let's get right into it. Next tablescape, let's start with just a simple black Dollar Tree one. With that, I'm going to add these woven silver placemats that have the little bells on them. Love these. Picked these up, I think, last year on clearance. I have these silver bling chargers that I think I picked up at Christmas tree shops for $2.99. Shout out my girl Lauren over at Christmas tree shops. Always looks out for me and always has the nicest things for me to use. I'm going to come in with these black Dollar Tree plates. For a centerpiece in this tablescape, I have these beautiful mirrored glass hurricane vases, and I have tall white pillar candles in those. In the middle of our table, I have this silver reindeer. It was $5.99, half off in the Christmas in July sale. And I'm going to put that as our centerpiece. I'm just going to add some little tea light candles to the candle holders, and I probably will light those. Next, I have some silver glitter coasters. Going to add our black glassware. Now, I wish that I had found these for Father's Day, but I did not. These are ties, tie necklaces, and I'll probably use them next year for Father's Day. Right now, I'm just going to use them if I can. This was my idea, that I was going to use them. Yep. As napkin rings, and let that hang down. I like the way that giving me that little touch of glam that I'm looking for here. It was nice with the little bells here, and I think it gives a nice little glam touch. To add that Christmas touch back in, I think I'm going to also add our little candy dish in as well. Tiered tray, candy dish. And I think that will complete our look right there. A nice bottle of wine is always nice on the table. Let's light these little tea lights up, and then I'll bring you in for a closer look.